Hi, today I'm reviewing the Kiramoon Flowermelon Super Hydra Serum. And really quick, I just want to say, I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobilisbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the link below. So this is a brand I was interested in trying because it's a smaller brand, a newer brand, and I love to review smaller brands that don't get talked about a lot. And the Kiramoon brand was interesting. They've got several products. They've got a hair rinse. They've got an exfoliating product, this hydrating product. So thought I'd pick it up and give it a whirl and have some thoughts on it. So they call this serum your solution for dry, dull, thirsty skin. Flowermelon Super Hydra Serum is a 3-in-1 elixir that hydrates, smooths, and plumps your skin after just one use. And I've got a lot of thoughts on it, random thoughts, and we'll do a pH test because this contains glycolic acid in it. So packaging, love the packaging. Very travel friendly, drop proof. I tend to drop products from time to time, although the most tragic drop product situation was my friend after she just opened up her SkinCeuticals vitamin C serum and dropped it on the floor. And she said she was like scraping up off the floor, and I just, $160 just, ugh, I can't even think about it. But anyway, this one, that won't happen because it's plastic. And it's recyclable. So there we go. The outer packaging made from 100% recyclable materials. Check your recycling facility. Doesn't have the square on it, but if you want to recycle it, TerraCycle is a great place. So, okay, in terms of alcohol, there's no denatured types of alcohol. And then fragrance, there's no fragrance ingredients, although it does have a bit of a scent to it from the banana, aloe, chamomile. Give it kind of a naturally fruit scent that dissipates really quickly. So if you like a little bit of fragrance in your products, but don't want to buy a product that's overloaded with fragrance, this one's really nice because some ingredients give it a natural fragrance that's actually good for you. Vanilla is a great one. It's a good fragrance ingredient that gives things a nice scent, but it's also a great antioxidant. Chamomile, green tea, things like that. So the manufacturing location for this one is the U.S., so no issues with that. So I'm going to do a pH test because glycolic acid is the third ingredient in here. So the pH of this one is about 5. Exactly. Right on the money. Right on 5. So ease of use. So you can use it morning and evening. Just smooth it over your skin after cleansing and toning and before other thicker serums or moisturizers. They recommend avoiding the eye area and also to use sunscreen while using this because of the glycolic acid. You should use sunscreen regardless. It's the only anti-aging ingredient that exists. This one works nicely over serums. I will say it did pill a little bit underneath the Isntree Watery Hyaluronic Sun Gel. Not sure why. It didn't have that any issue with any other sunscreens. I don't know if it's the hyaluronic acid, but it did pill with that, and this does contain a little bit of sodium hyaluronate, but otherwise it absorbs nicely, sets to kind of a natural finish that's not shiny and not matte, so it's right in the middle. So very easy to use, no issues at all with that. Okay, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So we've got aloe leaf juice, soothing, hydrating, wound healing, and also skin regenerating. We've got 5% glycolic acid. I have no idea why they put this in here when the pH is so high. Perhaps it will help the other ingredients absorb better and work better, but it's not going to exfoliate like you typically would find with a glycolic acid product. Typically it exfoliates, lifts away dead skin cells, things like that. This is not going to do much of that because the pH is so high. So anyway, typically you want the pH for a glycolic acid to be between 3 and 4. At 5, it's much too high for it to do much. So anyway, that's it. I don't know why. Anyway, so then we go on to Heptyl glucoside, which is an antimicrobial ingredient. It's also, interestingly enough, often used for contact lens solutions. When you take your contacts out, it helps disinfect them. We've got niacinamide, antioxidant, skin brightening ingredient, anti-acne, barrier repair. We've got sodium hyaluronate, a humectant. We've got honey melon fruit extract, which is a skin conditioning and hydrating ingredient. We've got banana extract, another good skin conditioning ingredient. We've got Roman chamomile, which is skin soothing and antioxidant ingredient. We've got cucumber, nice soothing, hydrating ingredient. Green tea extract, antioxidant, soothing, and hydrating ingredient. We've got Cyanocobalamin, also known as vitamin B12, which I can pronounce that. It's an ingredient used often for eczema. It also has antioxidant and skin conditioning properties. We've got Hydroxyacetophenone, which is a preservative antioxidant combo ingredient. And then finally, we've got Riboflavin, which is an antioxidant, also a color ingredient. It gives things a little bit of a nice color. So, nice ingredient list. I'm not sure the glycolic acid. I have no idea, but whatever. At least there's a lot of other nice things in here. In terms of animal testing, this is vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free, the trifecta, so that's good to see. In terms of performance, it's a nice product, got a nice ingredient list. It does give skin kind of an instant like plumping effect, which is always nice. Really no exfoliation from this one, so anyway, it does soften skin up a bit though. It's got a really nice light texture, probably geared towards oilier skin. Or you can probably use this, how I've been using it, just as an extra product for dry skin. And the nice thing is, if you have acne-prone skin, there are no ingredients of note. Very friendly for acne-prone skin. So that is always nice to see. In terms of the price, so I will mention this is 2 ounces. So most serums typically come in a 1 ounce bottle. Some come in a 1.7 ounce bottle, but most are generally 1 ounce bottles. So at 2 ounces, this is double that size. The price is $36, so instantly it might seem a little bit more expensive than most serums. However, it's double the size. So thinking about it that way, a 1 ounce bottle, this would be $18, which is pretty affordable. So, and it's double the size. So, although if you don't like it, then you're stuck with 2 ounces. So that's always the trade-off. In terms of the factor, it's a nice product. If you don't like a natural scent or a fruity scent, it does dissipate quickly, but it might be a pass for you. Probably geared towards oilier skin types or acne-prone skin types, but still pretty friendly for dry skin, especially if you layer it underneath something else. So, anyway, really enjoyed testing this. I'll have to test some other things from this brand, but overall, with a 10 being a perfect score, this one got a 9. Worth checking out for a lot of people. Interested hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this out or anything else out from the brand. I think this is the only thing I picked to try out first just to see how I liked it, and then see what else they have. So, anyway, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.